Hello and welcome to this simple ICT skills lesson, and I'm going to show you how you can draw a triangle in MS Word. After that, we are going to draw some curves and label the triangle the way it should be in mathematics. There are many ways of drawing triangles, but the shortest method is to just come to Insert tab. Then under shapes, you can get some of the triangles here, like we have a isosceles triangle. We also have other type of right angle triangle which you can use. So if I choose that, I can draw this one, and I can as well come back here and choose right angle triangle. These are only two of many types of triangles you can draw, and we have some triangles with different types of angles. These ones are known, like this one has both edges having 60 degrees. This one is always 90 degree here. But assuming you want to draw a unique triangle which takes the shape which you will determine yourself, then inserting triangles like this one may not help. And in that case, I will use straight lines to draw the triangle I want. For example, just to draw that, I will just come to Insert Shapes and get my straight line. Then with the straight line, I can just do any triangle I wish. Under Format, Shape Outline, you can change color here. I can come back here and point at this handle by putting the middle of the plus in contact with that handle. So I can draw any triangle which can take any shape. I will click this to apply the black color. Back to my straight line. Put the middle of the plus in contact with the handle and just complete my drawing. And click this outline color. When you look at this triangle, it is unique. It has taken the shape I wanted, and therefore using lines like this is very easy to come up with the triangle you want. Next, I want to put some curves to denote or to show that this is an angle. I will just come to Insert, and here I will use what we call a curve. Don't confuse an arc and a curve. Always use curve. I will come and click where I want the curve to start, and always ensure the middle of the plus is in contact with where you want to start drawing. Having that middle part of the plus in contact with the line, I will click. To click means to press down the mouse button and then you release it. Then I will move to where I want the curve to end. Then I will just put the middle of the plus in contact with the line. Then click the second time. After that, I will just move the handle of the curve. You can see here, I'm not pressing down the mouse button, but each time I move it in any direction, the inside part here is showing a certain shape. So I just want a smooth shape like that one. When I'm satisfied, I will press the escape button on the keyboard and complete my curve. I will come here under shape color and just color it. Remember, I pressed escape key. This key is there on the keyboard. You will get it. each time you want it, it is just there. So remember, to complete the curve operation, you just press the escape key. The next thing is just to come up back here, and shapes, go for my curve. I will click where I want the curve to start and click where I want the curve to end. Now I'll just play around and ensure the middle part of the curve here is smooth and looks attractive. Then I will go to my keyboard and press escape. I will come and color it by clicking here. And finally, back to insert shapes, get my curve. Click where the curve starts and click where the curve should end. Then just keep on moving the mouse until you are satisfied with what is inside the angle. Then press escape on the keyboard. Now you can see my triangle is well labeled with the curves. Now I want to label it with the text, and to get a text, click insert tab. This time go for text box, and I will just draw here. This, if I can estimate, could be maybe 65 degrees. Now for the degrees, you have to select this 0 and come home here and click this superscript. Okay, when you click this superscript, you will change this 0 into a degree. And remember, I don't want borders. You can see there is a border around the text box. To remove it, click this text box and ensure it is not blinking the way you see it here. If I click inside and it is blinking, it won't remove the border. So you point to the border, and when you see a plus like this, you just click so that the blinking cursor disappears. Then once it is in this state, you just click format, and under shape outline you say no outline. And now you can see I have 65 degrees. Since I already have this well formatted, I'm going to click its border. When it is not blinking like this, I will just copy it. Then I will just come to home here and click paste. Point to it. When you see a plus, drag it to where you want to take it, and maybe this angle could be 70. This I think this can be, let me just estimate, 55 maybe. Like that. Then I will come and paste again and take this here. But can you notice something here? Part of this line is blocked by the background of the text box, so you have to adjust your text box so that the background doesn't block anything. You can as well change the background color of this text box to be transparent, or change it from white color to transparent. So when it is in this state, click format, under shape fill, say no fill. And now you can see it cannot block anything even if you move it. Same to this one. This one I can now estimate to be maybe 80 degrees. And when you see, you can Now take note that the background is hiding the curve, so I have to make this background transparent. When it is selected like that, under shape fill, say no fill. Okay, this one, the background is also hiding. It has a white background, so let me make it transparent by coming to shape fill and saying no fill. So finally I have a well labeled triangle. I can give this x equals to maybe 65. This one could be y equals to 80. We just stretch the handles. This one could be z equals to 55. And you can see now I have a perfectly drawn triangle. That is how we use curves, straight lines, text boxes, and superscripts to draw a mathematical shape like a triangle in MS Word. Please go ahead, try this at home, and see you next time. Bye bye.